It is super cool, guys, and there's no jailbreak involved, so make sure that you have a ready internet connection because this video is going to rock your... Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to play a modded version of the game Evertale. So this is for iOS and Android, so as you can see, I'm really poor, but in the mod menu, we can actually get unlimited soul stones. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you that it actually works. So let's see if our soul stones start increasing now that we enabled the Evertale mod, guys. So I think it's going to work, so let's see what happens. So yeah, I don't see any change, but hopefully it works. So let's see, and no, yo, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Evertale hack for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you how to get it. Okay, this is easier than you thought. Just open your browser and type tweakmod.com. Once you're on the site, type Evertale, press install, and now we need to do verification. So this is the last step. Basically, you need to download 2 of these apps, and you need to follow the instructions on the apps. So they're free, they're from the App Store, it's legit. So I'm just gonna wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, it shouldn't take that long to download. So we're just gonna let it do its thing, as you can see. So yeah, it's just a pretty cool little download. So as you can see, guys, we are done. So it says missing files, so we just need to download some of these. So like Family Islands has reached level 11, so I could do that. Then I could do Evertale, which is down run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Then I could do Color Block, which is, this one's like a weird one. You gotta reach level 25 on it, which is not something I want to do, so maybe avoid that, but just do a couple of them. It's a video if you're confused. So that's how I get Evertale hack for iPhone, for Android, for all the devices in between. Everyone's included.